Quinoa have important minerals such as iron and magnesium. They are very high in antioxidants and they are a complete protein. Hi, welcome to the Berkeley Chef. I'm Kayla Berkeley and today we are gonna make quinoa. Quinoa have important minerals such as iron and magnesium. They are very high in antioxidants and they are a complete protein. It has all the essential amino acids. We have here, let me show you. We have quinoa here that have been soaked overnight. We're gonna rinse them and we're gonna put it to cook. So we rinse the quinoa to remove all the enzymes inhibitors. Okay, so we're gonna transfer it to our bowl. I'm gonna put this here and we're gonna rinse the rest. Okay, and we're gonna rinse the rest of this. Okay, we're gonna move this aside. Let's put it here. Okay, so now we are going to fry our onion and garlic here. We're gonna turn on the cook stove. First, we're gonna drizzle a little oil, olive oil. Gonna let this heat up for a minute. We're letting this heat up. Okay, I'm gonna throw in our onion and garlic that has been chopped. Fry this up till they become golden brown. And then we're gonna throw in our spices. So while this is frying, I'm gonna talk about our spices we have here. So we have here cumin powder, coriander powder, oregano, smoked paprika, turmeric powder, and sea salt. And if you want to know the measurements and the full recipe, you go to berkeleychefs.com. The link will be in the description. Before it becomes golden brown, we are throwing out spices for the onion and garlic to soak it up. Throw it in, let's go. Okay, and we mix it up. This is done becoming golden brown. We have our 1 cup of quinoa and we put 1.5 cup of water because this is already soaked and sprouted overnight, so you don't need more water. And this is very easy recipe to cook if you're in a rush. Oh, she says, smells good. I'm gonna put in a little water. Okay, okay. I'll put a little bit more. Don't want steam too much. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the quinoa and we'll use our spatula to put everything in. Okay. And we're gonna put the rest of our water, and as you can see here, it's already cooking. And mix this up a little. So we're gonna leave this to cook and we see you when it's finished. Okay, so our quinoa is now officially done. As you can see here, it's smoking hot. You have to keep stirring regularly so it won't burn. And we're gonna now add some salt and pepper. So we have the salt and black pepper here. We're gonna add it for seasonings. Make it taste good. Okay. Mix her up. Okay, so I'll now put it in this bowl here and we'll do the taste test. Okay, now we're gonna taste our quinoa we made. It's tasty, yummy, delicious, easy to make, and 10 to 15 minutes you can have this prepared. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment on how if you made the quinoa or not, and how did it taste. And we see you next time. Bye!